So about 10 minutes into my drive down US 90, after leaving the casino this morning, I came across the Donut Hole. They've only been open since January 31st, so really they didn't have my favorite donut, which is the white cream filled ones, but they did have really nice apple fritters, my second favorite. So Breakfast of the Champions, back on the road.
It's a good thing I got a cat, otherwise I'd be in trouble. Morning, YouTube. Today I'm back in New Orleans. I'm right there, corner of Franklin and North Peters Street. Only a couple of blocks from the French Quarter where I'm headed now. And gonna go find me some good food. See what I can find for lunch. I don't know if you can hear me, but I'm at the world famous New Orleans Cafe and Spice, and I'm having a Voodoo Burger, which is 2 burgers, got a hot burger, bacon. I skipped the jalapenos, and not a.
We are
Now
at
go.
711 Royal Street. We're next to Gordon Brothers Hat Shop, and we have all Mardi Gras masks and also Steve Pond.
Yep.
I sell all the Steve Pond products, and I make most of them. I'm making myself.
And you'll see the one I bought here at the end of the video, because I always do that at the very end. But thank you.
Thank you, Steve. No problem. Nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you.
Okay, I'm at just down from the mass shop at Pierre and Tone's, and I'm getting fried green tomatoes with shrimp, which is probably gonna. It's on the appetizer list, but it's probably gonna be my meal. So let's dig in.
So, one of the fun things about staying in a city on a busy sidewalk is eventually you're going to have a joker come by. I went to try to get off the bus today, and because of the way I latch things, some joker had done that to me, thinking he'd locked me in. I have a back door, so I got out, but still, well, what a fun joke. Well, it's a rainy day here in New Orleans with some gusty winds that keep folding up my umbrella. So I'm gonna find a place to go inside. Quest for food and indoor entertainment, take 2. New Orleans just ate my umbrella, and I mean, it's mangled beyond belief. So, all back on the stylish yellow slicker. All right, into town. So after wandering around for about an hour, I ended up at Bell's Diner. A nice bowl of gumbo. Yum. Good thing for a nice, cool, wet day.
Yeah, I'm just like, so I have.
Now, I've wandered all over the place. Finally found that nice place to eat right next to the French Quarter Market. And I'll go back to the bus. It's just a miserable day right now. It's supposed to clear up this afternoon, and tomorrow it's supposed to be beautiful. So I'll go explore again tomorrow. So you can see where my bus is parked right over there, and this is what's on the other side of the wall. And trains do come in here. This is a major shipping area. Well, not major, but matter of fact, there's a train either just left or just coming in. I could hear it. But yeah, so the downside of here is there are trains, but they really don't bother you. I mean, when the horns are going, you hear them, but going by, it's just a low rumble. So the other side of the wall that I'm parked at is the Mississippi. Got big cruise ships. Got a paddle wheel over there, tours around. And of course, constant barge traffic in both directions, as well as out here at the port. Well, rain cleared up. It's a little chilly out today, but not bad. It might seem like I'm eating my way through New Orleans, which is sort of the case. I had hurt my back from that cold I had, coughing so hard, and so it's made it painful to walk too far, so I'm not really exploring as much as I did last time I was down here. But I am getting out to get some good meals. Matter of fact, I'm going back to Bell's Diner because when I was having the gumbo yesterday, I was watching them make something else that looked intriguing. So I'm gonna go try that. I'll show you what it is. So one of the nice things about where I park is I'm about 2 blocks from the French Quarter. The trolley stops right here. There's a hop on, hop off sightseeing tour that comes by here. I mean, it's just a great location, and it's free parking right on the street. Okay, so back at Bell's Diner, and I'm trying the crawfish etouffee. Looks yummy. So if you ever visit New Orleans, this is why you find a place to park, like where I am, and walk. Because otherwise you're going to be sitting in traffic all the time. I haven't seen a day when it hasn't been like this all hours of the day and night. So while I was here, talking to Mr. Paul about his train hopping movie and bought a copy. It's really interesting. He also has a book available on Amazon.
Let's do one more take.
Just an idea, just a taste. That's all you're getting. Well, I think I'm going to wrap up my stay in New Orleans with what you've just seen. I'll be back. It's the only city I like that's really, because it's got a feel of a small town with just a whole lot of strange visitors, and people watching is so much fun. So I'm gonna get going, and see you later, YouTube. If you get a chance, come on down here. Well, I promised I'd show you what the mask I got this year looks like. It doesn't fit as well as the one last year, but I sort of like it. I always wanted a Plague Doctor one, and I got a steampunk Plague Doctor. So, oh well. On the road.